Hello. If you found that you enjoyed this video, please smack that like button. Or, if you find it needed to, comment down below. Positive and negative feedback is greatly appreciated. And, if you really enjoyed our stuff, please subscribe for more entertainment. Ha ha ha! I'll see you around.
Well, yeah. This is Natural Bear. He's my friend. He gives great hugs. If you can't tell by his appearance already, he gives great hugs. Look at those arms. He gives the biggest of hugs. Lifts you up, makes you feel important, and does not even try to eat you. He's a nice guy. These guys, on the other hand, these guys are creepy. Yo, what the hell? Hold on. What the hell are you? What the fudge? Where'd you even? I don't even know where you came from. Oh, you're scaring the guys away. What the? Should I be scared? You know what? Just cause you're bunnies, I'll be nice. Or y'all can run away. Bye. Is he gonna be nice? Oh God, I'm scaring him. I don't know what you are. I kind of like and afraid of you. I'm gonna walk away from you now. That was scary. What are you guys at? Oh, you guys are angry. Whoa, what the hell? Alright, this is where you die. Yeah, see, you chose the wrong fight, little guy. You chose the wrong fight. You see, I'm Hood. I kill your ass. The hell are these guys? Are these guys infesting people? Oh, no, I want some. You stingy bastard, I want some. Alright, I wouldn't advise eating spiders. I'm gonna kill you. I don't know what the fuck you are, but you're dead. Yeah, I don't like it. I don't like it. Y'all crazy. Y'all creepy. Eat him, my friends. We're gonna eat this guy too. Cause I'ma spit on him. Yeah, spit on him. Spiders, ugh, that's nasty. You don't need no damn spiders around here. Nuh-uh. Can we eat the egg? Oh my God, we can eat the egg. Oh my God. Omelet. Raw eggs, good protein. Yeah. Whooped your butt. Whoa, what the hell? I kind of want to fight that. Oh my, whoa, what the hell? What's going on? What the hell's going on? Everything's on fire. Oh my God, you guys are huge. I forgot what these are called. Are these meteorites or? I don't know, there's fiery stones coming to the ground. I don't know. Alright, you must die. Oh no. Oh, my friend's dead. I'm gonna spit on you. You gotta die. Come on. Alright, good. Alright, come on. Hey guy, come on. Come over here and eat. It's fine. Friend, come eat. Come eat. Don't eat our friend, but come eat the spider thing. Don't talk to that guy. Or we should talk to that guy. He might give us cool wings. Yeah, you gotta eat, man. Rejuvenation. Good for you. Oh, is rejuvenation when you drink something? I don't know. Feel your hunger. I don't care. So is that thing that attacked us, huh? I'm not willing to go there. Alright. Okay. Let's make friends. Whoa! What the hell? You guys are too cool to not talk to, so let's see if we can make friends. I'm gonna pose for y'all. I'm a good poser. Look at me. Alright, you getting your posse? What you got? What you got? I can sing too. La 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 la. Oh, damn! Y'all know how to drop the beat. What's up? Hold on, I'm gonna have to get my friend. We ain't that good. Hold on. We gotta go find it. Hold on, I'll be right back. We ain't that good without a third friend. I'm just saying, y'all too good. Y'all too good. I need to go find my friend. Hold on, let me search through y'all poop. Y'all might have something good in your poop. Oh, you guys have eyeballs in your poop. That's nasty. That's nasty. What's this? What's that? What's this? Is that rotten? What is this? That looks rotten. I don't want to eat that. No. Oh, you guys are angry. How about us soothing songs for your troubles? It's okay. It's only house. You guys are all calm now. Let's see if we can make friends, why don't we? Let's make friends. Let's make friends, yes. Alright. I'd rather not be angry with each other. Well, I just did the wrong thing. It's gonna be easy to be friends. Look. I'm singing. Look, you guys are. Oh, don't be that way. Don't be that way. It's come on. I can do that too. Sana. No, we're not angry at each other. We're good friends. I don't know why we were bad at each other. Anyways, let's talk to you. We kind of got the same shoulder muscles going. This is pretty okay. What you got? Come on. What you got? Come on. Sana. I did it too. If we're gonna do something else other than posing, my posing's not that good. Yeah, we can dance. We can dance. We can boogie. But again, I'm not good with my dancing. If you heard me over there, I wasn't good at my dancing or posing. As you see, I suck. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I know you're putting all the effort in. I should make. I'll try. Y'all guys following us or something? Why you guys following us? This is kind of weird. All right. Come on. What you got? We're gonna sing to you again. Y'all creepy. Stop it. Stop following us, please. Again, I'm not good at posing. If you could not do that, that'd be great. And then you do it again. You guys are so good at that. You guys are cute, but I'm not. Ugh. Oh wait, I can talk to you guys now. You guys are all together yourselves. Let's see if I can, you know. What the hell? What the fuck? The hell are you? Kill this mofo! I'm not letting my friend die, no. Alright, you're dead. The heck, man? Why you gotta come fight me for it? It's not nice to just randomly attack somebody. Now we gonna eat your bodies. Now we're gonna eat your body and flesh and your bones and your bone marrow. Y'all tasty. It's tasty. Oh, there you go. Don't mind me. I'm just a man bear pig. Yep. Let's see if we can be let's be friends. Okay, let's do this. Come on. I can sing too. La 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 la. You see my dancing and singing? Oh, you guys are smooth. I am not a good dancer. I'm sorry to say I am not a good dancer. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm gonna go home now. I feel bad. I feel bad. I'm sorry. Get out of here, Phil. They think we suck. We gotta get better. We gotta show those people. Where am I? Oh, all right. We are going the wrong way to get home. I'm sorry about that, Phil. I have lost my sense of direction. I am so sorry. Are you giving me the silent trip now? I'm sorry, man. I'm sorry. Don't be mad at me. Oh, man. I hope I can make it up to you. How about I hook you up with my sister? She seems to... Oh, fuck, I hit a tree. She seems to like you. But not before I do your mom. So, I'm gonna go and get your mom real quick. I'm gonna talk to you later. Phil, this is for your sister. This is for my sister. Yeah, Phil, look away, man. Don't look at me and your mother. That's totally natural. Phil, don't look at me. Wait, why am I laying the egg? No. That's nasty. Let's see if I can add something now. Oh, I got plenty. What can I do? What can I add or change? I can add toxic telson. Nice. Charm. 75. I can add more health. Spit level 2. Level 3 spit. I can get rid of my nipples. And replace them with better nipples. There we go. How about I get a belly button? There you go, my iron pig. There you go. Cute. I want wings. I want the wings. But if here, Alright, let's see what else I can add. What? Hold on. Why do I have less money? I don't get it. I don't care. Hold on. Nope, not replacing that. Because that's too good. I want to add charm. I'm gonna add charm. Hold on. Or health. Or health. Sprint and charm. Glide. What to do? What to do? I'm not gonna be a butterfly. There you go. Got a tum-tum. Got a tummy shield. Cute. Alright. Nope, need those. Oh, hello! That looks pretty cool. That's pretty freaking sweet. Look at me. I look amazing. Alright, nature bear. Kill or save. I don't care. There we go. That it describes my creation. That is who I am. There we go. Sweet. Alright. Let's have some more fun with this. I am a baby. Yeah, that's a huge ass eye. Oh, it's my friend. Oh, he's born with me. That's cute. I have a little brother. Oh, hey Phil. I'm sorry. Hey. Wait. Yeah, I'm just gonna go this way. You know what? Where's the alpha? Do I have an alpha? You're big, so I'm just gonna add you to the pack anyways. What the hell? Where does this egg come from? Is this our egg? I hope it's not our egg. We kinda need those to keep alive and repopulate, you know. Don't want our babies on the ground. It's a big ass thing. 250 health? What kind of stuff would it give me? Spit. I already got one of those. Oh, wow, you get a whole pack. Are these guys bad? No, they're good. They're cool. Let's go make friends. Let's do that. Ha ha. Yes, I want to make friends with these guys. So, all right. Let's go make some friends if we can. Who's eating? Whoa, you guys. Oh yeah, kill a spider, dude. Those guys. Hold on. We gonna help you real quick. We gonna help you kill these guys. Yeah, these guys suck. Cause we know these guys suck. We don't eat them for you guys. You see, we're friends. Look, I killed them. We become better and closer friends. Trust me. After I make these guys extinct, you'll find that I am the best kind of teamwork. Look at my armor. I have armor. We're in like the prehistoric age, and I have armor. Look at me. I'm pretty cool. Granted, you don't know what armor is, but you'll come around. Don't worry. Come on, man. Let's take this guy out. Let's ready and fire! Fire! I meant charge. God damn it. I'm gonna come help you guys. You guys are dying. Don't die. Don't die. Oh, you're dead. Please don't die. Please don't die. I need you, friend. Don't die. Ooh. We're alive. Alright, so couldn't help that we lost a friend, but let's have a few words for him. He had a nice butt. That is all. Let's eat. Hey, what the hell? No. Just got from a fight. Fuck. I need this. Bro, we need to stop fighting. Damn it, dude. I had it under control. You gotta stop fighting people. Like, honestly, we gotta get the hell out of here and get another teammate. Let's eat. Let's hurry up and eat right in front of them before they realize we're doing something bad. It looks like I'm eating my own poop. It looks like I'm eating my own shit. It looks like I'm eating my poop. Oh shit. Gotta get out of here. No, man, we gotta run. No, we gotta run. Bro, we gotta run. They're eating the shit out of me. I'm gonna die. My fucking house is over there. Damn it. You were killed in battle when wounded. I know. Damn it. I look fucking adorable as a baby. Look at that giant ass eyeball. Hey, look, my friend's here. He's still alive. You have been through some shit with me, man. You have been through some shit. Well, I guess we're the third generation in. Oh, fuck this guy. Fuck this guy, dude. Yeah, fucking eat him. Join me in the meal, please. God, do I have an alpha? Alpha. I need an alpha. Wait, who just had 37 health? Are you my friend? Hell yeah. I need better weapons. Oh. Oh, these are gargoyles getting killed? I don't care. Alright, I gotta get another one. Nope. Someone's... Wait. How much health do I have? 29. How the hell do you have more health than me? Oh, you're an alpha. I have an alpha. Never mind. I just guess I'll just get a normal guy. Come on. Hey, get off your ass. You're coming with me. Are we crabs? Alright. So, I need someone to, have coitus with. Who will indulge me in sexual activities? Who's the lucky lady or man? Guess I'm the lady in this situation. Look at me, present my body. Yeah, you find me attractive, don't you? Alright, what am I gonna add? No, I have to add those to legs. Don't want to add another thing? I like to set up. Wait, can I add better feet? Do I have better feet? Well, I don't think I would even have enough. Oh, I would! What, is this worth it? Oh, it's definitely worth it. It's got +1. It's got. Ugh! I don't know if I want to keep that. That's nasty. I don't care how good it is. It looks disgusting. No, that's messing me up. I can't do that. Ugh. I'd rather have these. Those are less disturbing. No. Yuck. Does that look cool? Does that look good? No. I better make them tiny. Still doesn't make sense. It makes me look like, who's that character? It makes me look like Deadpool from the X, like Wolverine origin. Health 4. Now, what would that look like? Getting rid of 2. No, I'd rather have. This boosts my health up. So I'm gonna keep that. Okay, I'm gonna actually go back. There we go. And that's back. Do I have enough money for anything else? No. Alright. Alright, folks. If you like this video, please like, favorite, and subscribe. It's one of those things you can't do. But, you know, just, you know, like this video, please. I think I did good. What am I? Complexity meter. If this meter is full, you can't. Oh, you are a poopy head. Alright, and I'm going to leave off saying this. Carl. There we go. There's a big difference. Really attracts the mates, you know. Well, hope you have a good day. Bye. Woo!